New Volleyball Legends codes. These are all the new Volleyball Legends codes. Into this video, we'll be going over and actually redeeming every single one of these codes. As you guys can see, just click on the shop icon and you're straight to the codes. We're actually going to redeem all the new working codes for a lot of free spins, a lot of free lucky spins, as well as some secret cash codes as well. If you would like to have yourself the secret units, you do have to watch this video because I'm going to be literally redeeming all the lucky spins codes. We have 100 lucky spins so far, which is insane. 2000 yen, which is kind of bad. We have to get more yen though. We have to actually get more yen. Also boys, if you would like to have yourself a extra slot in Volleyball Legends, be sure to actually comment down below update 21. Comment down below update 21, just like this. Update 21, 21, 21, 21, just like this. 21. Everybody can do that, okay? Everybody can do that. Just like this. Wait, does this work? Does it actually work? Yeah, it does work. Yo, look at this. Okay. Update 21. Okay, 21. Oh, this is what you want to call. Okay, the first code. Update. Okay. Update. Okay. Listen, boys. This is the first code. Update. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Like the video right now. Subscribe to the channel, and we have to literally redeem this code. Update 21. This is the code. This is the first code that you actually want to redeem, just like this. Update 21. 21. Let me disable the blur. You see the blur? Yo, look at the blur. That's insane. Right, boom. Code already redeemed. Well, I already redeemed the code somehow. We got also a summer bundles, 2 summer bundles, which is going to give you a pineapple ball and a emote, which is kind of boring. Actually boring. Wait, what is else in this event? Ice cream, jellyfish ball. This is way more exciting than the bundles, by the way, so be sure to just complete the season pass and open up the crates.